Hello dear students, welcome to Indian Academy Degree College Autonomous. I am Professor Asma Banu. Today we are going to discuss on the topic financial accounting. This video is for the beginners who do not have any knowledge about the accounting. This video will be going to help you to know the concept of financial accounting. As we know, financial accounting is very much important nowadays. Whatever we eat today, if somebody asks you to tell you after 1 week, you can't be able to recall. Whatever you spend today, you can't be able to recall in the month end how, what and where the money got spent. So in that case, accounting will be going to help you out. So accounting is basically a recording of a transaction in the business. So once it will record it, definitely it will help you to remember it. Basically, accounting has broadly categorized into 3 groups. The first one, financial accounting. The second one, cost accounting. And the last one is management accounting. Let me explain you one by one. A management accounting is accounting information which is basically used by a manager. That is, it is used for the management purpose. Basically, it is some set of reports which deals with the financial topic or accounting information which will be used for doing the analysis, decision making purpose and performance analysis of the business. Second, that is cost accounting. A cost accounting is the set of procedures, rules, regulations which will help you to determine the cost of the goods or the services. Basically, a cost accounting deals with cost of a goods or the services which a business wants to deliver to the ultimate consumer. And come to a very important concept of financial accounting. A financial accounting is a systematic, a proper method, an art of recording. After recording, what you have to do? You should even summarize it, classify it, and then even you have to communicate. That is nothing but analyze and communicate. I repeat, it is a financial accounting is a systematic method of recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing and communicating the result to the interested people. So let's go in detail about the financial accounting. It's not a very big task. Basically, it's a very simple. The meaning itself, it's covered the process of a financial accounting. The first stage is in the process of a financial accounting is recording of a transaction. Here, the transactions which is incurred in day-to-day business will record it on a daily basis in a systematic manner, in a pattern how they occur. In a book which is this transaction is recorded is called as a journal. A journal is basically called as a primary book, and it is even called as a day book also. Once the transaction is recorded, in the second stage is nothing but a classifying stage. Here, whatever the transactions which we recorded will be going to classify it. We'll classify based on its attributes, based on its groups, we'll make it up, we'll classify it and we'll post it into the ledger. Technically, the classifying and transferring into the another book is in the accounting language is called as a ledger. Once the posting is done, after recording and classifying, we try to summarize. The next stage is summarizing of a transaction. Here, you summarize the transaction so that you can be able to present the data, whatever you have recorded, classified in a presentable form, in a report form. So basically here, you will prepare a financial statement which include profit and loss account, trading account, balance sheet, whatever the financial statements which you need for the accounting purpose. Now once the summarizing of the transaction is done, you will go for the analyzing stage. Under analyzing stage, all the financial statement which is summarized, which is presented in the report form, that will be viewed, it will be corrected, it will be rectified and it will be recorded in such a way, presented in such a way that it can be readable as well as understandable by a normal person. Usually accounting statement whatever we present, it will be not in a readable form. Only an accountant, a person who have some good knowledge of accounts, they only can be able to read those reports. But of top level people, they might be not having a good commerce knowledge, that is accounts knowledge. So definitely under analysis stage, you try to sum up and give a report which will be easily understandable, readable by even a common person. Once that will be done, a last very important stage is a communication. Ultimately, you have to communicate whatever the 4 stages you have done. You have recorded, then you have classified it, then you have summarized it, you have analyzed it, and once you have analyzed also, and finally you have to make sure that all the information will reach to the, communicate to the target person, that is a top level people who will be our ultimate decision maker, who will be going to use this financial information for decision making purpose. So this is all about is the financial accounting. Hope this video have helped you to know the process of a financial accounting. For any further clarification and any doubts, please feel free to contact us on our email ID. Thank you.